Hey there, guys and gals, and all my pals. Welcome here to Outfits Garage. I'm in here editing this video that you're about to see, and thought I'd do an intro on it. So, just to kind of fill you in on what's going to be going on, we're going to be working on some motor parts. A little bit here, a little bit there, to kind of show you what two engine projects we got going on. Come on in here, follow us along here at Outfits Garage. Hit that like button, subscribe button, and leave a comment. We appreciate you. Follow this video. I think you'll like it. Well, hey there, guys and gals, and all my pals. Welcome back here to Outfits Garage, where everything's an outfit, just like the No Name Nationals. We're fixing to get into our No Name Nationals build, along with this modified build and that hobby stock build. I don't know what we're going to do. We're going to go broke or have some fun doing it. One of the two. But I'll tell you, I've got motor parts scattered all over the place. So right there is all the stuff that goes in this motor, which is going in that car. That 327 that's right there underneath that blanket was in this car. And it ran at Saxton, Missouri at the No Name Nationals, the inaugural No Name Nationals. That's an 053 under there. I'm leaving it on the stand. But what we've got here is a 350 block that's fixing to come off of this engine stand. I'm going to do an official call out. I'm probably already going to have the call out. So I'll just go ahead and tell you what's going on. This is a standard 350 block, which is Doug's. He's sitting right there. Say hi, Doug.
Looking parts up.
He's trying to get some parts right now. But this motor is actually going to come off of this stand because it's standard bore. And the call out is Steve Myrick with Big Block 402 has called out James and James show for a 355 call out shootout. I told him, I said, how about we make this a three-way? So I'm going to be making a video, and I'll put it out before this one. You've already probably saw it. But I'm going to show you what motor we're going to do. This has got to be cleaned up. But that's the block right here. It's a 4-bolt main, which that block over there is a 4-bolt main as well. So what we're going to do is take this block instead of that one. We're going to take this to the machine shop and have it decked. It's already bored. It has zero ring groove. The cylinders look really good in this thing. So it's just sat here and collected dust is all it's done. So what we're going to do is we're going to get this thing up on the engine stand, clean it up, wash it up, do some improvements on the oiling system and things of that nature, like we do on all our motors, and kind of deburr it all over, and then we'll get it down to the machine shop and have them deck it so that it'll get true decked. And from there, we're going to come back with it, and I've got a fresh crank from the machine shop in here in that room right in there. We're going to put in it, and we're going to put a set of 30 over pistons in it, and we're fixing to get it on this stand right here. We'll do that here in just shortly. But that's what we've got going here at the Outfits Garage. So stay tuned for some more engine building. All right, guys, what we've got here is, I'm going to show you, is an empty table. There's no crankshaft, there's no rods and pistons. There's the main caps, there's the oil pump, there's some bearings, timing chain, water pump, fuel pump, intake. Here's a block. What we've got is I've got enough clearance on my mains, but my rods didn't have enough clearance. So what I've done is I took this stuff back to the machine shop and had them polish my rod bearings, but my rod journals one more time, like kind of polish them up just a little bit, and see if if they could upsize my rods just slightly. If they can't, Rick at BB Cylinder Head said he had another set of bearings that I could get, so that would be another thousandths bigger. So it'd actually be a half set, so I could take this half of this on one side and the other half on the other. As long as you get them all the same, you're all right. But and then that would give me another at least another half thousandths on my rod clearance, and I think that would work. And if I have to, I'll go ahead and buy the whole set, and that'll give me a full thousandths clearance, and I might just do that. So, but anyway, that's the reason why we're not together with this motor. We started to do it last night with a Thursday night live, but it didn't work out. So that's the reason why we're not going together with this motor. So needless to say, that's the reason why we don't have a short block together just yet. But we're fixing to get that block off the stand, put this other block on it, and get started on it. I've been talking with Steve, Big Block 402 channel, and he's excited. He's looking forward to this. He said this is going to be fun. So that's what we're going to try to do, is try to get a 355 together. I mean, we've got a set of heads, we got crank, we got rods, we got pistons, we got a camshaft. So we just got to buy a few little odds and ends for it. We even got an intake for it. So we'll have to have a fuel pump, and I've got a carburetor. I think we've got a distributor, got a starter, got a flywheel, we got a torque converter, we got a transmission. We're just about ready to put this thing together already. Just got to do a little bit of cleaning on some stuff. So that's where we're at on our projects around here at Outfits Garage. Yeah, we're still waiting on a few parts and pieces for that car. So if anybody wants to drop in an appreciation letter, if you know what I'm talking about, drop it in the mail. Just send it to Outfits Garage, P.O. Box 304, Kensett, Arkansas 72082. It will greatly be appreciated, and just send us a card that says we appreciate you, and you will get your name on the car, and you'll get a call out on the channel. So be thinking on that if you want to send a little appreciation envelope, so we could use it. We've got our hands in the fire. Actually, we got our hands past the fire. We got them off in the coals right now. And Doug said he's got his hands in there about elbow deep on them coals. So we fixing to get off in there. Like I say, we're doing all we can do on this one, and I'm trying to get this motor together. As soon as we get that motor together, we're going to set it in here, and I don't plan on taking it back out. So Greer's got our transmission. I talked to him the other day. I said, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get that transmission or not. And he said, nope, it's yours. So he said, you're going to need it, so it's yours. I said, okay. So Justin Greer at Greer Racing Parts and Fuel is a good man. I want to tell you, if you need anything, go down there and see him. He will fix you up. Tell him old Russell sent you. And we appreciate that. But that's what we got going. And we fixing to drag this old motor out here and see if we can't get the block off of that engine stand so we can get this other 30 over block on the stand, so therefore we can get in on this call out. Sounds good to me. Steve said it sounded good to him, so we fixing to get after it. we got, what we're talking about needing some grinding is that hole right there. See the flashing in it? We're going to double the size of that hole. And that one right there, we're going to round them edges out. Make it to where that oil get back down in there real good. We're going to go around this motor, deburring it everywhere. Clean all the edges off. See how nasty it is? That's not a problem. We're going to clean it up. Looks bad right now, but there ain't nothing wrong with it. See, its cylinders looks nasty, but this motor, I think he said he had it. They had put that motor in that truck and ran it about 20 miles before they stopped driving it. So it's going to be just fine. It had a little bit of water that got into the cylinders, but we're going to dingleberry hone this thing just a little bit, kind of clean all that up and fix it right up. A little 30 over 4-bolt main block. Fix it come back to life. Come out of an 073 3/4 ton Chevy truck. Yep, that's what it was. So therefore, that's what we got going. I don't know how much more we're going to put on this video, but we'll get on this thing, get the cleaning on it.
It's going back in the truck.
Oh, it's going in a truck, about half size. Going in a, what model is that? 85, 6, 7? Little square body, short bed S10. What in the world has Doug brought home? Let's see. How about that? We'll have to talk to him about this. Let's go see what he's got to say. What have you found, Doug?
A little toy.
Oh, me.
It'll be a little toy.
A little toy. Huh. So, Steve messaged me a while ago and said the rules are, got to weigh 31.95. I said, I believe we got her handled. So, now we may have to put an extra gallon of gas in it to make her 31.95, but I think we'll be all right. So, anyway, we're gonna get off here, guys. Appreciate y'all jumping in here, and we'll do some more here real soon. Try to get in here and do another live Monday night. Every Monday night we do one, so we'll see what we can do on that. 7 p.m. Central Time every Monday. So anyway, this is Russell here. There's Doug. We're saying God bless you, Jesus loves you, and Outfits Garage is saying keep a hammering, guys.